Cool.
Optional log. This one of those offshoots you're talking about?
This one's not too crazy, but yeah, it is. It's a trail those guys have just ridden into this, but.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Looks steep and loose.
Yeah, it is. Okay, yeah, this one will be good. Towards the bottom there will be. Well, actually, it's only bad going up, I think. Well, there's this one section that gets pretty exposed, but I'll tell you when we're there.
Yeah, awesome.
Maybe it's not bad.
Okay.
I'm just used to riding with Camille, where it's just like...
Yeah, it's understandable. I appreciate it, because I'm definitely not used to this kind of riding, but it's so fun.
Dude, you're ripping.
Thanks, man.
It's way good.
I
feel like you've probably done this a bunch.
Yeah, as a kid I rode, but I was so scared as a kid. I never really achieved my full potential as a child.
Same, isn't it stupid?
Yeah.
Back being like, what a pussy.
Yeah, for real. Do it. Woohoo! Hey-ya! Gotta watch my head on some of these trees. Woohoo! You think I can do that? You think I can do that, or should I go around? Woo!
Just trust the bike, it'll roll over it.
Okay, how much should I pop?
It doesn't need much, it should just kind of roll, like kind of just get back, but you don't need to give it much.
Okay. Wow, I cannot believe how easy that was.
That was awesome.
This bike just freaking goes up stuff like that.
It's a good bike, dude.
That's so crazy. Coming up to it, I was like, oh shit. And then it just went up it, dude. That's crazy. Wow.
Sick, dude. I mean, that's not easy.
Uh-huh.
You're riding good, but the bike helps.
Yeah.
We took
Damn.
I took my brother-in-law on his YZ450
Jeez.
up here.
Jeez.
Dude, it was bad.
Yeah.
The trail we're about to go down is what we went up this actually.
Yeah.
And it got so bad, and he was like getting pissed. So I switch him, and I was like, like 2 minutes, I'm like, no way, dude.
Yeah. Give me back. Give me back.
And the only difference is just his suspension's stiff and
Yeah.
lower. I mean the tires and little things, but that's like the main deal.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, this bike's incredible.
Good. I think so.
Yeah.
A little bit I've ridden it. All right.
Oh. Huh? Yeah.
I did the same thing.
Yeah. I probably should have went on the far side, but I went in the middle. But oh well, here we are.